Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're gonna fix a small problem that if the system is showing you an error that the file is too large for the destination file system, then how gonna we resolve it? First of all, go to my PC. Over here, it is my USB drive. Let's see. It is containing st1 file. If it is an important file and you don't wanna lost it, then you can copy it somewhere else. So what we're gonna do is, let's see an file that we want to paste it. Let's go over here. Let's suppose I wanna add video SD3, I guess. Okay, just copy it, go to USB and paste it. See, it's showing an error that the file is too large for the destination file system. So what we're gonna do is cancel it, back, again back. So right click on the USB, go to the format option. Over here, select file system as NTFS and the allocation unit size as default allocation size, and that's all. Just start, click on the OK, and your data will lost, remind it. Okay, and let's wait for some time. It may take some time, but not more than a minute. Now click on the OK. Yeah, close it. Let's see, the folder is empty. Now let's copy it. It was the file. Suppose this was the file. Copy it and go to the USB. See, now it can easily get pasted. So that's all. Thank you.